Hi and welcome. I'm delighted to take a couple of minutes today to share with you some of the key aspects, some of the key offerings and presents that will be opening up in our CARE training starting in November 2020 in Turkey. So CARE stands for Compassion, Awakening, Resiliency, and Empowerment. And so compassion really is a practice. It's a contemplative practice. Right now I'm in Gaia House in the southwest of England in the middle of my one-year retreat. And I've practiced as a Buddhist monk, I've practiced in meditation centers, I've practiced in mindfulness at the university. And we're going to be bringing these contemplative practices of compassion, mindfulness, gratitude, soul making, etc. Supporting ourselves, supporting our system, supporting our sense of healing with these contemplative traditions, these wisdom traditions. C also stands for community. As a part of the CARE training, you're going to be held. You're going to be cared for, you're going to be supported in the midst of a very nourishing community. Today, we're in the middle of a mentor retreat with the mentor team, and you will be so uplifted with the sense of appreciation and presence that they will be able to bring in this CARE training. We're delighted to be able to welcome them into our team. A is for awakening. Awakening our quality of awareness about ourselves on all our levels. We have somatics, feelings, mind, our relationships, and how we connect to the world. And so awakening is really about upregulating our nervous system physiological functioning towards higher and higher levels of functioning, higher levels of organization, higher levels of healing and health. Awakening is also sensing into the more subtle perceptions, our mystic capacities that we have as humans, psychospiritual traditions, which are becoming more and more evidence-based, thankfully, as the scientific community develops. R is for resiliency. Resiliency in terms of how we can respond to challenge. So we increase our nervous system bandwidth, our quality of embodiment, increase how we can be with maybe challenging emotions, how we can connect with relationships that might also be challenging. And resiliency is always coupled with empowerment, because empowerment is actually what enables us to then respond when we feel a sense of strength, a sense of stability, a sense of capacity. Then we have the power to be able to engage within ourselves through our patterns, depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, addictions, and also how we respond then to the world, how we respond in our relationships, in our work, in our family. So the CARE training is really a wide-ranging experience where you'll get a profound experience, a profound possibility, an invitation for personal transformation and upregulating of those really regulating states. It's an opportunity for community where you'll be held and supported with our faculty team, our incredible mentor team, our dream team, as I like to call them. And you'll also develop skills, skills in terms of working internally, this sense level, through these contemplative practices. You'll develop skills at working one-on-one with individuals, whether you're a facilitator, a therapist, psychologist, psychiatrist, social worker, teacher, educator. The CARE training is really open for anyone in the helping professions, particularly with a focus on mental and psychosocial health. And you'll also be able to develop skills at the group level. So you'll be able to engage, understand some of the dynamics that occur in relationships, this dance that we have in terms of sometimes feeling a part of the group, feeling belonging, and at times needing more space, needing to feel more protected, and increase the quality of safety, the holding of that space, so that everybody, every part of everybody can feel included, can then heal and grow together, because together we go further. And finally, the CARE training is a certifying training. We are recognized by the USABP, the United States Association for Body Psychotherapy, and you will have your name as a certified practitioner on their website, on their online directory. You will have your name on our website, international directory. And in the care training, you will also be trained by highly experienced mental health professionals, such as Dr. Irvin Yalom, who's a professor emeritus at the University of Stanford, who was my mentor in terms of group work and processes. We also have the delight and honor to be able to work with Dr. Monin Lech, who's professor at the University of Toronto in psychiatry, and who is the president of the American Group Psychotherapy Association, and many others who will be joining us to support us with their expertise and guide us so that we can feel confident, we can feel capable, and we truly make a difference in the world, which is so needed today. So thank you for listening, and I'm delighted to be able to get to know you in one of our trainings and journey together towards greater health, greater development, greater satisfaction and fulfillment. Bye-bye.